Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can remove text from video without blur in Capcut. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Capcut app on your PC or laptop. Now click on New Project button at the top of the screen and import the media into it. After that, add the media to timeline. Duplicate the layer by clicking and dragging it while pressing Alt key on your keyboard. Then go to the Crop tab and crop the video to a section equal to the text. Resize it and align it over the text. And that's how you can remove text from video without blur in Capcut. Hope you liked the video. Thanks!